How to effectively protect your children on their smartphone while keeping a discreet eye on what they do. mSpy stands out as one of the most powerful parental control software on the market. Features, limitations, security. We take stock to see if it's really worth it. The link and a promo code are available in the description.
mSpy is an application that allows you to remotely track several types of activities on a smartphone. Messages, calls, location, social networks, and much more. The installation is simple and quick. You will be taken to an intuitive dashboard, even for beginners, which makes it easy to use. Regarding usage, this software is not only used by parents but also by people wishing to monitor a spouse, for example. However, be careful, its use must always remain within the legal framework. Here is an overview of the main features offered by mSpy, which vary slightly depending on whether you are monitoring an Android or iOS device. Real-time location tracking, reading SMS, including emails on iOS, call monitoring, logs and possible blocks, access to photos, videos and multimedia files, social media tracking like WhatsApp, Snapchat, Messenger, Instagram depending on the operating system, keyword and geolocation alerts. Certain advanced features, like access to the camera or microphone, require root access or jailbreak. It should also be noted that some options, like uninstalling the application, can be detected on Android but not always on iOS.
Users appreciate the ease of use, the wealth of features, and the availability of customer support active day and night. The price is also considered quite affordable, with several subscription plans suited to different needs. On the downside, mSpy does not have a free version, and each account is linked to a single device. Additionally, if the monitored phone is restored, data may be lost. Some advanced features may be complex for certain users. Nonetheless, user reviews are generally positive, with ratings around 3.2 to 4 out of 5 on Trustpilot. Some installation issues or bugs have been reported, but customer service remains very responsive.
Thus, I give mSpy a rating of 8.5 out of 10. It's a good balance between functional richness, ease of use, and price accessibility. Some limitations exist, but nothing blocking for the majority of users. Don't forget, the link and promo code to get 40% off are in the description. In summary, mSpy is a robust and comprehensive solution for monitoring digital activities, especially for parents who want to protect their children. Easy to install and use, it offers good value for money, despite a few minor limitations. As always, usage should remain responsible and comply with current legislation. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, share it, and subscribe.
See you very soon for a new video.